This look is all about that natural, elegant beauty. Darcy! Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite tiny potato. Back at it again with allergies. I am still in my pajamas because today I'm gonna be giving myself a makeover because God knows I need one. But this is not just any makeover, friends, okay? This is going to be a K-drama makeover.
You want my destiny.
I've always admired the simple elegance of K-drama stars, and I've wanted to embody that myself. So today we're going to turn this potato into an elegant swan. Let's get started. So, I decided to do some research on how I can look like a K-drama star. I opened up Google and looked up how to look like a K-drama star. And to my horror, I found my own video. I also found a bunch of other disturbing articles, but eventually I just went to Pinterest. Now, as I was scrolling through, it seems that your typical Korean drama girl is not wearing a ton of makeup, has really effortless looking hair, and dresses pretty casual. So it looks like a simple blouse and a skirt should do the trick. So I'm gonna start with the makeup, and I'd say that the thing about K-drama makeup is that it's always so just perfect and glowy, and their skin is just so even. So I'm gonna start off with my VDL primer. This is the Lumi Layer Primer Fresh, and this stuff just gives you that glowy base. Next up is foundation. Now we want to keep the foundation super light and natural. This look is all about that natural, elegant beauty. So I'm taking my NARS stick foundation. I've been using the stick version of the foundation recently. It's still in the same color, but I've been using the stick version because it's just so much more light and natural. And it's like the perfect match. Like it almost disappears into my face. Where did I even put it? I can't even see it anymore. And then we're gonna grab our 3C mirror and blend that out. Then we're gonna apply a brightening concealer. So I'm gonna take the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the color Mocha. You are my destiny. You are my destiny. You are my everything. Shout it out. What you want for the world? Money, honor, beauty, everything you want. Is this so really true? Now I'm gonna take my Morphe spray. Use code POTATO.
We are like.
Is this so really true? Is this really true? For eyebrows, I'm gonna take my Anastasia brow pencil in dark brown and just lightly fill those in. I'm kind of filling in the bottom part here so that they're more straight. I can never get straight eyebrows for the life of me. Like I would literally have to start doing drag makeup techniques and like put the glue down and conceal my whole eyebrow and draw on a whole new eyebrow, and I'd look crazy. So that's as straight as my eyebrow's gonna get right now. Now, my favorite Korean actress is Song Hye Kyo. So that's kind of the makeup style that we're going for today. Obviously, we don't have anywhere near the same skin tone, so using similar colors to her might be a little crazy. But she tends to go for quite rosy, pink colors. She tends to have a little bit of a statement lip, so that's what we're going for today. So I'm gonna take my Holika Holika Star Luster palette and start off with the color Midnight Sun. Then we're gonna define the eyes with this color here called Star Night. Then I'm gonna take the color Sunkissed just to add a little bit of sparkle to the eye. And now I'm just gonna put on some mascara to finish off the eyes. Next, we need a rosy blush. So I'm going to be taking this one from VDL. This is the Marsala blush, and I'm going to apply it with a blush brush. Next, you want to highlight and contour your face so you can get that perfect K-drama V-line. So I'm going to be taking this powder from Morphe. This is their pressed powder in the darkest shade, I think. Pretty sure it's the darkest shade. I'm going to use that to contour my chin. I gotta get rid of my double chin because I had some ramen last night. Girl, my face looking a little puffy. And for highlighter, I'm gonna use my 3CE cream highlighters. This one is called Rear Side, and it's a really light color, but I feel like this would look really sheer and natural. Ooh, look how natural she looks. Ah! What highlighter? Finally, for the lips, I'm going to be taking this lipstick from VDL. This is in the color Redwood. Look how pretty she is. Oh my god. And then I'm going to take this lip gloss from Glossier. Apply it to the center. Ooh. And then we're going to do one more spray. I still look like an egg right now, so I gotta put on my wig.
You want my day.
I look like Severus Snape. Okay, let's adjust this a little bit. And this red shirt is not doing it for me. So let's put on our K-drama outfit.
Cat, excuse me, please. Please just give me a second. Just give me a second. Okay. All right. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? Are you serious? Okay. Oh my god, they're all here. All of them are here. Jesus Christ. Alright, so this is my classic Korean drama girl outfit that I have laid out here. Excuse the copious amount of wrinkles, okay? Don't judge me. But I really think that this outfit screams Korean drama girl. I feel like when I put this on, I'm gonna go to the grocery store and somehow meet a billionaire and have him sweep me off my feet. But first, he must hate me for no reason, and then slowly fall in love with my quirky charms.
Wow, I look like a classy bitch. It's the hair. It's the hair. It has to be the hair. It's the hair. I definitely feel like an elegant Korean drama actress right now. Like I'm about to bag the rich CEO. You know, the one with the cold exterior, but really he's got a heart of gold. Let me know how I did in the comments below, guys. I think I did pretty good. I think I got it down packed, honey. I think y'all should cast me in a K-drama right now. Leave in the comments below which K-drama I look like I could be in right now. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next video. Definitely subscribe for more shenanigans, because I do this stuff all the time. And I mean, some people think it's weird, and I mean, it kind of is. It kind of is weird. It's weird. But if you like weird stuff, definitely subscribe, girl. Anyways, I will see you guys in the next video. I love ya so much.